How to fix Airbnb login problem 2026. To fix the login issues, first of all, you have to ensure that your app is up to date. So first of all, go ahead and launch your device's app store, then search for Airbnb application and make sure that there are no updates or your app is up to date. If there is an update, you will find this update option right above this open icon. Now, once you have made this show, all you have to do is hit backwards and open your app drawer. From here, locate the Airbnb application, long press on it, then access the app info panel. From here, scroll downwards until you find the storage option. Go ahead and clear the cache to remove all the corrupted files that are within the application. Now, once you remove it, proceed to relaunch the application and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, you simply have to switch to your mobile data. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.